As you can see, this is probably unfamiliar surroundings and an unfamiliar face. My name is Lene. I live in Voss and I'm 32 years old. Now I'm planning on something very exciting. But instead of sharing it alone, I think it will be much more fun to share with you together with Karin. Because I'm meeting her now. Now I'm gonna leave you for a moment as I walk over to Karin. See you soon.
You're probably wondering who that was. And this is Lene. I'm going to meet her now because we have something exciting to tell you. Join me. Now I've heard rumors that she is here. Look. Okay. Hi. Say hello to the camera.
Hello to the camera.
Hello everybody, we're not ready yet. This is pre-shooting. Bra!
Yes.
And we want to inform you about the great news. But first of all, this is Lene. We want to give you some happy news. Or, well, is it news? It's more like a announcement.
Announcement, or maybe even invite.
Invite. This is an invitation.
Yes, it's an invitation.
So much better. This is an invitation to experience a real Norwegian cabin trip.
16th to 18th of July.
Very soon.
Very soon. What are we doing?
We are trying to collaborate on creating awesome Norwegian experiences, learning places for you.
We need more places for our followers to meet up in person and practice.
Practice Norwegian.
Because you guys are so smart. In my experience, many of you maybe lack a little bit of confidence. to use your Norwegian.
Hyttetur! Hyttetur is a Norwegian word for cabin trip. Trip to the cabin. Hyttetur.
We haven't done this before.
No.
And in fact, we haven't even met before.
No. It's very important to understand that I can't join the first hyttetur, but I want to join the next hyttetur. But that means that we need to make the first hyttetur very good.
Yes.
Yeah, and that many of you can join, so we can make videos from the hyttetur, so everyone can see how awesome the hyttetur is and how much you can practice Norwegian, and maybe you can eat some Norwegian food you haven't tried before. Or
we will cook.
Yeah.
We will cook. I have a chef coming who will prepare every grocery, so we can cook delicious meals together and eat, most importantly.
Yeah. Well. But we want you to be a part of this hyttetur to practice Norwegian. And the first hyttetur will be in
Nydalen.
Nydalen. I don't know what that is.
It's about 30 minutes drive from Voss, which you might know. And we will organize driving together from Voss.
So you have to get to Voss.
Yes.
From where you are. If that is United States or if it's Oslo.
Yes,
or Nynorsk. Yeah, you have to get to Voss and then we fix the rest.
Yes, but just as you know, you have to be very quick because the spots are filling up very quickly.
You don't want to miss this, so go now, and information in the links in the description thing. Yeah, with links to how you can get a spot on this hyttetur. And if you watch this after July, in August, if you watch this in August or too late in July, you want to be a part of hyttetur number 2. Then you will also find information about that when we have that.
Exactly.
Yeah, because that will be in the fall. Most likely. Bli med på hyttetur! Yeah! Did I even say that this is all Lene's idea? I didn't say that. I think I should say that. I didn't think of this at all. She just came to me like, hey Karin, you are awesome and I love you. No, she didn't say that, but she could have. Do you want to video chat? And then she told me about this awesome idea, and I was like, I need to join, and all my followers would probably like to join hyttetur because, well, why not?
Yes, why
Yes.
not? Because we will become awesome friends.
Yeah. It's important to socialize with Norwegians and other people that are not Norwegian and speak Norwegian to learn Norwegian.
Awesome. Maybe I should take benefit from this situation to mention that I have a channel.
Oh, she is very, very sneaky, that one. Yeah, we should mention that she has a channel as well. She's also a YouTuber.
Yes.
Yeah. Say hello to your already existing fans.
Hello, my already existing fans.
Maybe you are here. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Head over to Norsk med Lene.
Yeah. We will also have links in the description for that.
Yes.
Yes. But if you want to join us on hyttetur, go to the link in the description and save your spot.
Save your spot.
Save your spot. Bli med på hyttetur.
Bli med på hyttetur.
Orange thing. Hva er den der, da? Ser du den oransje tingen? Det ser ut som en termometer. Yes, I am still filming. Because it's funny.